Take a video of the little girl? Huh? You have anything to say? Hi. Say how you doing? How you doing? What's going on? I am Mark. Get sits. Go. She has this problem when her feet are on black. I think she can't see them. Yeah, look at that girl. Silly girl. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty bird. She's literally taking her foot and squeezing her leg. It's funny. You're a funny girl. What's wrong? Can't see your toesies? Huh? Your toesies? Boop. Boop. Can I have kisses? Oh, you are the sweetest girl.